U.S. stock index futures little change this Tuesday morning as investors await commentary from the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, scheduled to speak at the Council on Foreign Relations at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Fed Chair Powell expected to discuss the Fed's outlook on the economy and monetary policy. New home sales, meanwhile, for the month of May, releasing around 10 o'clock in the morning, and consumer confidence figures will follow slightly later in the session. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro-dollar, that's where we begin. That sees consolidation. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair supported by a rising trend line, while the U.S. dollar-Japanese yen pair sees its key resistance at 107.15. Now, the New Zealand dollar-U.S. dollar pair, that's strengthening on the trade balance ahead of the rate announcement. The Kiwi dollar extended this morning its fifth straight day rebound following this morning's release of a New Zealand trade surplus of 264 million New Zealand dollars in May versus 250 million New Zealand dollars expected, and ahead of Wednesday's Reserve Bank of New Zealand rate announcement. The pair is supported by both its rising 20 and 50 period moving averages on a 30-minute chart, while the relative strength index and MACD are above the neutrality area, illustrating the bullish momentum in place. As long as 66.27 is the support, look for 0.6682. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin dollar sees the upside prevail as long as 11,027 is the support. That's also the pivot point. While in precious metals, gold sees the upside prevail as the relative strength index calls for a new up leg. Long positions above 14.1650 are favored with targets at 14.39 and 14.45 in extension, while silver intraday that moves towards 15.62 a troy ounce.